Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to, good afternoon, by the way. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on Bonk. Wanted to do a video on that. It's been quite bullish in the last couple of days. We put in a bottom indicator here, basically on Tuesday when Bitcoin also found support. And since then we actually got some nice bullish momentum. All right, so that's great. But now the big question is can that actually lead to something? All right, because right now, I mean, like I said, Bonk has found some decent support and it's actually going up from there. But there also is a major resistance level here, and if you zoom out, I mean, there's not much very bullish about this chart. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick update on Bonk. All right. So let's start off. First of all, I want to know where most of the liquidity is at. All right, liquidity always acts as a bit of a magnet. I think it's good to know where it is. I mean, this is on Bybit. Can I also look it up on Binance, please? Because I think that's a little bit more accurate. Yeah, so there is quite a lot of liquidity here to the upside at around 0. Like here. All right, so there is a bit of a magnet to this, but the thing is that this level right here at 12,500, that's our main resistance level right now, by the way. That's a pretty tough cookie to crack, which I'm not even sure if that's something you can say in English. But it's difficult to do that. And at this moment, I mean, we were seeing bullish momentum from Bonk. Here you can see momentum has built up. We're seeing momentum in the Solana ecosystem with all of the airdrops, etc. So that's also great. However, the momentum is also dropping down now. It seems to me that Bitcoin has found resistance, which is not great for Bonk. I mean, Bonk, whether you know it or not, is actually pretty correlated to Bitcoin, which is interesting, but still. So if I look at the numbers, it's very mixed, all right? Because there are some very bullish things, like the momentum has increased a lot, and we're seeing some sort of recovery in the markets. But then there's also bearish things, like the strength of this resistance is pretty bad, all right? It's a pretty failed resistance level. And then apart from that, what's bullish is that there's a lot of liquidity to the upside, so that's good. But then what's bearish is that the momentum is also dropping down. Bitcoin has found resistance. So at this moment, I'm very mixed on Bonk, all right? Because the two scenarios, which are basically possible, is we have this resistance level right here. We either break above that resistance level at 12,500 and 13,000, all right? Break above that, rally up to our price target at 14,500 and 15,000. Great, Bonk is relatively bullish, and we can start talking about potentially rallying even higher. That's the bullish scenario, and then the bearish scenario is that this is resistance, and we drop back down to 10,000, and we consolidate here. And at this moment, my feelings, my gut tell me that I think it's most likely will fall down here. But that's for the main reason that open interest is dropping down now. We have a strong resistance, and I expect Bitcoin to fall. So those three factors for me are enough to conclude that I think Bonk is going to find resistance and be relatively bearish on the short term. But like I said, I mean, if something like this actually happens, I mean, I'll probably long it. So don't take this as trading advice. You should, like, trading in my eyes is reaction, all right? So at this moment, this is still possible. I just don't think it's most likely. All right, so that's what you need to know, I think, for now. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.